Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to edit line type. So for example, you can draw line and you can select the line objects, go to properties and in line type here, default to be set into by layer. You can click to see more line type, like I will use dash, we set it to dash. And you also can change for the scale in here, line type scale, like I will set into 0,5, enter, and it will be more small. If you want to use another line type, you can type line type, press enter, and the next click load. Now you can see we have lots of option in here. Like I will use the this line type slope, and you can click OK. Click OK again. Now you can select the line objects, go to line type here, and then you can see we have the slope line type. You can click to set the change. I will set again for the line type scales into 2, press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to edit line type.